good morning, dear viewers.
This gloom that is setting.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning, dear viewers. Those who are watching this video all across the globe, I wish and pray that all of you are safe at your homes and are doing good with your family members. Today, some of the youth from Barak Belly have gathered together for a small discussion on COVID-19, on coronavirus pandemic, which is affecting the world directly. We know that yesterday, I've seen the records yesterday, and it's nearly 2.4 million people who are directly affected by this COVID-19, and we are standing presently with nearly 1,66,000 deaths, and that's huge. Coming to India, we have nearly 17,000 cases registered, and with a death toll of nearly 530. So I pray and request all the people, especially in India, especially in Assam, to please follow the lockdown, maintain social distancing, listen to the health officials, listen to the health ministry, listen to the government, and take care of the elder people who are. I'm Shamsul Haq from Barak Belly, from Assam, India. Would like to welcome each and everyone on this video.
This gloom that has suddenly engulfed us, these moments of grief that has shook the entire world, the darkest hour of 21st century, perhaps this is the hardest battle that the humankind ever had to fight. Amid the uncertainties of tomorrow and the fear of losing our dear ones, there is something worth clinging on to, and that's faith, love and patience. Our people, our state, our country, the entire human race shall rise again. Like the phoenix from the ashes, like the glorious sun after a cold wintry night, like the petrichor after the first rain, we shall rise again and make the world a better place.
বন্ধুরা, আমরা সবাই অনেক দিন ধরে করে লকডাউন হয়ে বসে আছি, যার কারণ আমরা সবাই জানি। সেই মরণব্যাধি করোনা ভাইরাসের জন্য আমরা সেই সতর্কতা অবলম্বন করছি, সরকারের নিয়ম নির্দেশ পালন করছি, সবাই ঘরে থাকছি। এই প্রতিকূলতার মধ্যে দিয়ে আমাদের সমাজের যারা দরিদ্র সীমার নিচে বসবাস করে, ওদের কি অবস্থা হচ্ছে? ওরা কি একবেলা পেট ভরে খেতে পাচ্ছে? ওদের ঘরে কি চাল ডাল লবণ এইসব আছে? আমরা যদি প্রকৃতপক্ষে সেই জিনিসগুলো খেয়াল করতে যাই, তাহলে দেখবো ওরা একবেলারও হয়তো খাবার জুটছে না ওদের কপালে। তো আমরা যদি সবাই মিলে ওদের মুখে একটু হাসি ফুটাতে পারি, একবেলার জন্য হয়তো ওদেরকে যদি কিছু খেতে দিতে পারি, তাহলে ওদের এই কঠিন সময়ে ওদের পাশে থাকা হবে, এটার নামই হবে। তো চলুন না, ওদেরকে একটু সাহায্য করি, নিজে সুস্থ থাকি, ওদেরকেও সুস্থ রাখি। সবার বেঁচে থাকার অধিকার তো সমান, তাই না? ধন্যবাদ।
My brother, my advice goes to everyone, okay? You need to maintain your hygiene, wash your hands clearly at all time, maintain all medical advices, stay at home, keep safe, make sure you use your mask and follow all government advices on this issue of COVID-19, the coronavirus.
Hello everyone, I am Sujata. As we all know, coronavirus are a large group of viruses that are known to infect both the human as well as animals. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, running nose, pains, respiratory illness. And we also know that this virus has came from China and had spread it all over the world. So as a responsible citizen, our responsibility is to follow the government instruction, and it's for our benefits only. Avoid going out and all other crowded places unnecessarily. Do all your official work from home through online. And use hand gloves, face mask while going out for important works. And now you have lots of time. Utilize it and do paintings, spend time with your family, play indoor games and all.
अकेले हैं तो बूंद है, मिल जाए तो सागर है। अकेले हैं तो दुआ है, मिल जाए तो इबादत है। So let's come, let's hold our hand tight and let's fight against this coronavirus together. And as we know, when government announced lockdown, no one rushed to buy iPhone, iPad, car, bike, but everyone rushed to buy milk, vegetables, food, all the necessary products. So all we need in our life to live a happy life, only necessity products, not the luxurious items. And we should remember, everyone, we are stuck at home, we're locked at home, and all of you are dying to meet our neighbors, our relatives, but we cannot. So when the lockdown ends, let's go and let's meet them. But we'll meet them, yeah, but we should remember the lesson that all we need in our life, peace, humanity, and love. And when the lockdown ends, let's spread this peace and humanity across the world.
I'm here to speak on corona fiasco. See, novel corona, a bug, a virus that is making everyone's life topsy-turvy, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. It has been successful in imbibing terror in everyone's life. Everything has become sensitive due to this microscopic organism. Even if you have no symptoms, you could be infected and spreading the virus. Virus is really crafty and thus the people spreading it when they are not even sick. See, when an unfamiliar disease strikes, it causes tremendous fear and anxiety. And fear and anxiety leads to the uncertainty. And that uncertainty is the most intense in a earliest phase of any crisis. As we see the COVID-19 is spreading across the countries, we can see the same concern, the fear of spreading, fear of infection, the fear of spreading disease, and fear of and stress of not knowing whether we have been exposed. I have 6 ways to cope up with this, the corona anxiety and stress. See, first thing is stick to the trustworthy sources such as CDC, World Health Organization, local health authorities. Second is limit how often you check the corona updates. Third is continue to engage with friends, family who you feel safe. Fourth is limit time online watching news. Fifth is make time each day to let your body come down. 6, set some goals. Quarantine resolution. Lastly, I am to say we are resilient, we will prevail. Thank you.
So today we are facing the most crucial situation. We are fighting against an unseen enemy, and the best way to counter corona pandemic is to stay home and maintain social distance. In this crucial situation, salute to all the brave Indians. They are working hard to ensure remain safe for all of us. Thanks to all the doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs, and the police forces working to safeguard the nation from COVID-19. This is the time we as a country we have to come together and stay home and provide the help, provide the foods and safety kits those who need. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
As we are all aware that the entire humanity is going through some existential crisis, frontline workers are actually staking their lives to save and to control this virus, and we can control this virus only by staying at home. And while the entire country is under the lockdown, many working class people, many lower middle class people are out of supplies. If we are fortunate enough, it is our responsibility to provide them with essential goods for survival at least. So only by following this social distancing and by staying at our home, we can actually save the country. This is our time to save the country. Stay home, stay safe. This is Qazi Sabir Hussain. I'm signing off. Bye.
Good morning, I'm Francis from Ghana. Use your sanitizers. Keep distance. Wear the nose mask. And inshallah, this one too shall come to pass. Corona, the virus is dangerous. Keep social distance. Stay at home.
Circling in our brain, what is this coronavirus is? Because this is so new to the human system. It has transmitted from mammals, animals, and these animals have certain virus and bacteria which we are not competent to handle it. Our bodies does not have necessary antibodies to address that. So the best way to be safe is keep social distancing, use the sanitizers, stay at home, use the mask, use the hand gloves while you are out for important work. We are in crucial situation. Of the uplifting countries are struggling to get rid of this pandemic coronavirus. So still there is no vaccination of that. And we will together fight with this pandemic coronavirus with our collective efforts. We will reach out to the people who really need our helps. And this is the time to realize that we have done the sins in our earlier times. So we should pray to the God and we should take care of our neighborhood, our parents. So let us make this world as stronger, healthier, and the better place. Thank you very much.
Dear viewers, we are left with a very important question, that how we handle this COVID-19 crisis. A country with 1.3 billion population, how we can handle COVID-19, but we are doing good. If you see the number, I have already told you that we have registered nearly 17,000 cases in India, with a death toll of nearly 530, which is good compared to the other European nations, where there is a very high surge in the death toll, especially if you look to France, Italy, Germany, and all in the European continent. And if you go to the American continent, you can see America with a death toll of nearly 35,000, which is very high. So here in India, the best solution for 1.3 billion people is social distancing. Until unless the vaccine is not out in the market, we have to maintain social distancing, which is the only option left with us. And of course, the government is trying to put all the resources, and they're trying to level best to control, to bring down the number, to bring down the patients, to bring down the affected people, to help the people who are directly affected by this. And so I want to request all the people again to maintain social distancing, to look after, take care of the elderly people who are the straightforward victims of this COVID-19. And that's the only request from my side. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of your